Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chase credit card pay over time. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have made a purchase already on their Chase credit card and then want to go ahead and pay over time. So today we're talking about our Chase credit card. Be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. And let's go ahead and get started. So what we're first going to do is log onto our Chase app and then scroll down until where you see your Chase credit cards. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and access my Chase Sapphire Reserve. Now from this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see all your transactions. So here we have see all transactions, and next what you want to click on is click on see all transactions. So here I have a series of transactions. Now it's important to note that in order to use pay over time, the purchase does need to be made within the past 90 days, and it does need to be over $100. In addition to that, the purchase needs to actually be completed. So as you can see, I have a series of transactions here in which most of them are less than $100. But this one over here for $105.11, you're going to see this tag that says pay over time eligible. So let's click on that transaction. Now from this page, you can then click on pay over time. So that button is located underneath the total amount of that transaction. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now from here, you have a series of payment options. You can use 3 payments and then see what the fee is. You can use 6 payments and then see what the fee is. Or you can see 12 payments and see what the fee is. So each of these do include a fee, and right now you can see that none of them include interest. And whichever option that you choose, you can see the total cost down below. So this 3 payment plan is $105 plus $3.81, leading to a total cost of $108.92. So once you select your payment option that's preferred, you want to go ahead and scroll down and then click on next. So here you're just going to get a confirmation page. Does everything look good? The actual purchase that you want to pay over time, the selected plan, and then if you scroll down, you're going to see your plan details in addition to the total cost. So this is the best and easiest way that I've seen to actually go ahead and use Chase pay over time. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next